in a lot of depression cases, you hear a person who is depressed doesn't even recognize their depression. So don't you feel it is very important for the partner and the family to make them reach that place where they can get help? And that would be a
I
big help?
think it's a triangle. The
Right.
doctor, the family, and your awareness and the willpower that I will take help. Because there are two sides. Like, one where they don't know. Like me, I didn't know. There are people who genuinely have no awareness because no one's ever told them. That's one. And another side is where the mother knows, but the husband does not believe in it. So they are dependent on the husband's approval to take help. And the other part is where they know, but their own stigma does not help them does not allow them to take that help. So there are these three. I've interacted with so many parents, moms particularly, and I've seen all of them. It is there. So information during pregnancy is where the key change can happen.
I really strongly feel
I
about it,
genuinely
right?
believe, because postpartum is hard to then come up to speed with that information that, okay, this is happening, I need to go here, because you have a baby to take care of. You're not prepared.
Suddenly, absolutely, you
and
have
for
lesser
some-
time for yourself, more lesser attention on yourself.
Yes.
Let's put it like that.
Moms tend to forget themselves the moment the baby is born, and they look at themselves as only as caregivers, which again puts them at that risk. Like, just think,
Right.
anybody with a crying baby and body physically recovering, anybody's going to go through that low phase. But you have to understand that that's not how postpartum is supposed to be. That's not what motherhood is supposed to feel like. So you have to be aware. And like you rightly said, yes, your spouse, your family must be educated. But what I strongly believe is, even if they are not, then what?
Yeah.
You have to be your own advocate.
We women have the power to change
And
things about
everything is
us.
online these days. You can take help. You don't need them to accompany. You take help for your own self and get better for your own self.
So basically, awareness of self. Like, you were very alert towards every symptom, every change in your body, which I think also comes out of self-love.
Yeah.
In a way, yes. So women, self-love, self-awareness, please always take care of it. It's very, very important, because God has placed you in a position to take care of first yourself. बोलते ना, पहले खुद oxygen mask पहनो.
Correct.
And then empower yourself so that you can spread this love and care to your family, your child, and your family members.
Absolutely.
So, yes. And God has given us the power, the Shakti to do it.
Yes.
It's not for nothing. The other day also I mentioned this, that parenthood, preparation for parenting in today's time, when honestly, see, earlier times were simple. Today, everybody is working. Challenges are more. Competition is more. Environment is a little tougher than what it used to be earlier, right? So on young people, especially, it takes much more hard work to get what was coming earlier very easily, right? You need courage, dedication, devotion, and selflessness. But to achieve that, you need, I think, self-love and self-awareness.
I am a
The tool to achieve that is this, right?
Yes.